Welcome to the tutorial on the most exciting feature Swish has ever launched, Swish AI. Just speak and Swish AI will create your game. That's all you have to do. Speak whatever the prompt is for a league, a ladder, a tournament with multiple divisions, a round robin with friends. Speak and Swish AI does the rest. So download the latest version and give it a try. Let's click Try Swish AI in the top right and give it a go. Hey Swish, I'm at the park with friends. Give me a round robin game starting at 3:30 p.m. on courts 7 and 8. The player names are Aaron, Bob, Carlos, Dave, Ernie, Frank, George, Mark, and Jesse T. We have an hour and a half, so set max number of rounds to be 6. Let's see how it does. Speak conversationally, Swish will interpret it and create the game for you with all the players, any of the details that you want to specify. All right, that was quick. Game created. Everyone is added. Let's go. This is incredible. And it works for any size, any type of event. So let's start the round robin. Just like that. Hey, I got my court numbers, 7 and 8. That's perfect. 9-person rotation. Gave me 6 rounds just like I wanted. You'll notice as well that if you give it a first and last name, or at least first name and last initial, it'll go through your groups and Swish and add the actual profile. So my friend Jesse doesn't need to scan the QR code and join this game. The profile is already in. So when you're giving it these prompts, keep that in mind. You can actually add real profiles of people who are in Swish groups that you're a part of, and you're all set. That's incredible. So my buddies and I are at the park. They don't even need to scan in. If I just give their first and last name, we're good to go. The round robin is set. Let's play, record our scores. Amazing. Well, what if I need to change something? You can edit the players or the game using Swish AI. Let's give it a go. Hey Swish, Aaron is not able to make it, so will you remove Aaron and instead add my friend Zach? Also, we're going to have more time than we thought, so increase the max number of rounds to 8, please. Easy. Give it whatever edits you need, it'll do it for you, and you're going to be all set. So we still have 9 people. We're swapping one for another, and we're going to play 8 rounds instead of 6. How did it do? Change applied. All right. Let's hit back. View round robin. There you are, Zach, on court 8 with Frank. And we've got 8 rounds. More games, more fun. That's unbelievable. You can edit whatever you would like. Just speak, and Swish AI does the rest. Let's do another example because this is way too much fun. Swish AI, here we go. Hey Swish, can you create a round robin where it always pairs male and female players but shuffles everything? We're playing at San Joaquin Hills Park right now, and we have 4 male players, Steve, Sam, Soren, and Sean, and we have 5 female players, Ashley, Allison, Abigail, Ariana, and Avery. All right, so in Swish, we call this mixed gender round robin. If you don't know the name of the format, obviously Swish will just interpret what you're going for. There we go. See, it knew I wanted a mixed gender round robin game. Let's go. 5 female players, 4 male players. This is sweet. So we're going to have 8 people playing. It'll rotate one of the female players on bye every single time, and we're all set. Pretty incredible. Got my matchups, got everything. This is awesome. Shall we do another? Let's up the stakes and try a league. Here we go. Hey Swish, I want to do a padel league with set partners that will start this coming Monday evening at 7 p.m. It will be best 2 out of 3 scoring, and we'll play at Costa Mesa Tennis Center. The teams will be Mark and Will, Adam and Aaron, Benson and Benjamin, Chad and Chuck, Dave and Dwight, and Ernie and Eric. Go for it. All right. So we're expecting this to be a multi-week event, a league. I've got my teams all set up. Hey, that was quick. All right, we're playing some padel, set partner style. We've got our scoring in there. Awesome. Costa Mesa Padel Set Partner League. Got the first week. I can duplicate this event and add subsequent weeks of play. This is amazing. Teams all set. I mean, speak and Swish AI does the rest. It doesn't get any better than that. Let's up the stakes again because this is awesome. All right, here we go. This is going to be a pretty long prompt. Hey Swish, I have a big pickleball charity tournament this Saturday. Please create it for me. The tournament name is Pickle for a Purpose, and we're playing at the Newport Beach Tennis and Pickleball Club. There are three divisions: beginner, intermediate, and advanced. The beginner division starts at 8 a.m., and the teams are Mason and Michael, Nico and Nelson, Owen and Olivia, and Patricia and Peter. The intermediate division has 10 teams and it starts at 11 a.m. Please split these teams into two pools. Pool A will be on courts 1 and 2, and Pool B will be on courts 3 and 4. The teams are Aaron and Adam, Benson and Benjamin, Chad and Chuck, Deborah and Donald, Ernie and Eliza, Frank and Fernando, George and Garrett, Heather and Hank, Ian and Isaac, and Jessica and John. Lastly, the advanced division has three teams and starts at 2 p.m. The teams are Tom and Teddy, Victor and Vivian, and William and Wendy. Please make this advanced division duper rated. All right. If it can do this, I don't know what it could not do. This is pretty awesome. Just speak and Swish AI will do the rest. All right, so we've got a couple of different variables here. I gave it court numbers, I gave it different start times. Okay, that was quick. Too quick for me to explain. Here we go. Create the tournament. Let's see how it did on all these different details and various specifics. Pickle for a purpose. Nice. Done. Spectator code. That looks beautiful. Beginner division. Excellent. Teams entered. Nice. How'd we do on intermediate? Two pools, just like I asked. 5 teams per pool. It split them up. I gave them 10 teams and it put them in A and B for me. Excellent. Advanced, smaller division, just 3 teams. Made it duper rated for me, just like I asked. Fantastic. I'm in a different time zone, so it even adjusted the times for the actual location that I gave it in Newport Beach. Pretty spectacular. All right, let's do one more just to bring it full circle. Here we go. We're going to do a club versus club, a team format event. All right. Hey, Swish, give me a tennis team style league. I don't know the name of the format, but I want it to be where there can be 6 players on a team and subs. The league starts on November 1st and will be played at Lifetime Fitness in Frisco, Texas. I only have 2 of the teams so far. The first club team is called Almost Athletes, and their players are Adam, Ashley, Aaron, Abigail, Arthur, and Amanda. The second team name is the Court Crushers, and their players are Chad, Chuck, Chelsea, Carlos, Cameron, and Carly. Put in the game description that we will play side out scoring games to 15. All right, I accidentally mixed pickleball scoring with a tennis league there. But let's see if it can do that. If it can put a note in the description for me, and then I'll go correct it and see how it works. All right, done. So we call this interclub league or custom team format. And there we go. How did we do? Tennis league, fantastic. Team style, I can add subs, but it got the initial 6 players. Pretty fantastic. Okay, we need to make an edit. This is tennis, not pickleball, so we need to change our scoring. We want to do pro sets to 8 points. Hey, Swish, can you change the game description? I instead want it to say, we will be doing pro set scoring first to 8 games, tiebreaker at 8 all. All right, our scoring is changed. Awesome. Now, if you've never tried it, I'm going to go ahead and show you what this looks like because this format is just way too much fun. Team versus team, multiple doubles lines. Obviously, you could have more than 2 teams. But here we go. Court Crushers versus the Almost Athletes. The team captain can actually go in and specify the doubles lineups. So if I'm on the Court Crushers, I'm going to say line 1 is Chad and Chuck, and line 2 is Chelsea and Carlos. And the other team captain will be doing the same thing. You put your lineups out, you can do as many sub matches as you want, and then you start recording your scores. Super fun. So we're playing pro sets, So Court Crushers wins the first sub match 8-4, let's say. And you can do this for as many sub matches as you want. Usually, if you've got 6 players per team, that's 3 doubles lines. You'll play 9 total games. Each team from one team plays each team from the other. So let's go down here and we're going to go ahead and add matches. We'll add 4 or 5 all the way down to 9, and then we'll be all set. We can put in our sub scores. Super fun. Use this for inter-club competitions, city versus city, whatever you'd like. This is huge for inter-club, and it's a lot of fun. And all you have to do is click Swish AI, then speak, and Swish AI will do the rest. Pretty fantastic. So download the new version of Swish. Try Swish AI. You're going to love it. Send us your feedback, post it on social media, and tag us. Use Swish AI as much as you'd like, and we're excited for you to give it a try.